so when you get an email, it will say that the photos are ready for download. Now, in this case, this one does not have a marketing kit attached to it. So it's not going to have that right away. But you can see that it's going to have links. So like in this case, when it says links, that could be Matterport, could be videos. In this case, it is a Skyview. So whatever external links, those are automatically included. Obviously, there's a download. This is the property preview, which I'll show you that in a second. Of course, there's the referral code, so you've always got it. And this is just, hey, if you need to update anything in your account, there's a direct link. Here, I'm going to go ahead and just show you real quick the property preview. Now this would be, now of course with the link that I put in there, this isn't going to show the anything right away in a preview. So that's what this is. It's just because of the source, that's why it's going to have that broken look to it. But a video for Matterport, something like that, won't have that. Otherwise, this is just a simple way of being able to send images to a client so that they can just see stuff, but they cannot download. All right, now if you go to download, that is another story, except now, of course, here's your link. So again, you would just click this and it would open that link, or you could just right click and copy a link. And of course, there's all the photo stuff again. And you've got all of that there. The marketing kit option is up here as well as down at the bottom. But that is a quick overview of what you're going to get with downloads.